Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and it's day 17 of the 30 days of sketches. Today's sketch is brought to us by Ruth Lewandon. So this sketch I'm turning sideways like this because I've got a landscape photo and I think I prefer this. This will work better for my photo and the papers I've chosen than this way. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. Now with any sketch, you can turn it, you can rotate it however you like, you can turn it upside down, all sorts of ways. I am using the Daisy Days collection from Vide. So I've got some elements here that I've fussy cut out. I have an idea in my head of what I'm doing, but I haven't actually laid anything out to work out what I'm doing where. I don't even have my little tray here. Oh my goodness, talk about not organised. So I have my tags pre-cut. Now in the Queen Bee kit club that I'm in with Bee Arty, they provided a manila folder with some vellum sheet, some cardstock, some other bits and pieces. So I've used the manila folder to make my tags out of, and I'm going to be using as well to back my photo. So I've also got their spray, Colour Blast spray in the colour coffee. I don't know how I'm going to use it yet. I may do splatters, I don't know. We will see what happens. So I've got a vague idea in my head, but that's about it. So I'm just going to get on with it and we'll see what I can come up with. Okay, there is my completed sketch for day 17, and the sketch I have turned sideways so that my tags are vertical behind my photo. I still have the journaling spot over here, my title here. I just changed the embellishments a little bit. My title is not as big as what the sketch looks like it should be, and they only have one more embellishment cluster there. That is mine there, but I added a few more here on the tags. So I'm really pleased with how these tags came out. I had an idea in my head. I didn't know whether it would work, but it worked, and I think it looks fine. I was planning on using the tags in whole, not cutting them in half, but then there was only a little bit you could see, top and bottom, and I thought, well, that's useless because I went to all that effort of stamping and stuff. I want to be able to see it. So I cut the tags in half so that they could fit either side of the photo. I triple matted the photo in the vanilla folder that they gave in the kit, one of the pattern papers, and then I just did top and bottom on with some black. I had some scrap black cardstock, and I just topped and tailed it basically. And the idea of the way I tore the papers, like to resemble the clouds, sort of the jaggedness of the clouds and stuff. Anyway, well, that was the idea in my head, so hopefully it looks like that. Alright, so make sure you check out the playlist below for everyone else who's playing along with the 30 days of sketches. And if you have liked this layout, please give me the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.